Hey, what's going on everyone? So welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this awesome SaaS type animation. This is going to look amazing because the assets I'm using and the techniques I'm using is very unique, and you are going to learn a lot of things in this video. So as you can see, this is what we are going to make. So first of all, we are making our gradient, and for this you have to take your shape layer, and you can like use any type of shape, but I'm using star, so you can copy my shape layer settings. I'm showing you right here what you have to put. First thing is gradient ramp, and you can choose any color you want. Second is optics compensation, and you can copy my settings. I'm showing you right here. And fast box blur, you can see the values. And next thing is wave warp, so I'm using double wave warp here, and you can like choose any settings you like in this panel. So for this you have to select this one, and make sure your wave speed is 0.2. And in the second wave warp you have to copy these settings. Then I'm using deep glow for a little bloom effect. You can use any glow you like to use. And yes, this is how it's going to look. And if you'll choose any different settings in wave warp, you'll see different patterns, so you can like try anything you like I'm showing you. I'm using triangle, and this is how it's going to look. So it depends on you, whatever you like you can choose here. So it's time for part 2. In this part we are going to make this transparent bar, which is like in the middle of this video. And for this I'm using 2 stroke layer. For like first one I'm using some settings which you can see right here, and for the second one it's just a line, so I'm not using any effects in this one. So but you have to use different stroke settings like you can see here, and that is what it has. And we are going to animate this later, but for now we are focusing on the text. So as you can see, I just write some random text, and to animate this there are few options. You can use like different presets, or inbuilt After Effects presets. So for this one I'm using animation composers preset. So this plugin has a lot of presets and it's free, so you can also use this plugin. But if you don't have this plugin, there are few options available for you. You can search for slow fade on. It's also going to look amazing for this. And yes, After Effects has a lot of built-in plugins, so you can also check them out. That's it for the text. And so we are in part 3, and in this part we are going to make this Google logo into something unique. So for this you have to use some effects. I'm showing you some settings what you have to do. So I'm using 4 color gradient, and these are my colors. You can use color palette to pick the best color you want. And after that I'm using Shadow Studio 2 for highlights, rim light, and all over look. So this is my settings. You can copy my settings, and I'm going to give you this preset in the description. The next part is animating this logo. So this is really easy. You just have to do one thing in this, and I'm going to explain you what. This is coming in, like you can see it's scale up and little bit of rotated, which you can do by just keyframing rotation and scale value. So like this, as you can see. And we also have to scale up our transparent bar. So the keyframe you are seeing here is hold keyframes. So how you can make this hold keyframes? You have to right click into your keyframes and go to toggle hold keyframe, and it is going to instantly move your scale into different keyframe. So there's nothing special about this is what I'm explaining. So yes, that's the main thing you have to do. And after that we can do our color grading, which is according to you. I'm using magic bullet looks in this one. You can also make this bar from Lumetri color, but this plugin is really amazing. You can also try with this. And there are a lot of presets you can use in this one, as you can see. So I just made this according to my likings. You can use optics compensation. Also, if you need tutorial on this color grading part, I'll make sure to make a separate tutorial. Just comment down below if you want me to color grade and make a separate video about this. So that's it for this video, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe. And also I'm giving you the pre-project file for this animation we made. You can download this in the description.